Hello student, in this video lecture we are going to discuss about the parts of brain. In the last class we are discussing about the blood supply of brain and circle of Wheeler's. In this video we are going to discuss about the brain stem and what are the parts of brain stem. बिना देर किए हम वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं. You must keep your notes in front of you during the lecture. I hope you are enjoying that lecture. So first we are going to discuss about the brainstem. Stem is the remaining portion of the central nervous system, rest than we can cerebrum, cerebellum एंड स्पाइनल कॉर्ड. इन तीनों को छोड़ के जो सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम का पार्ट बचता है, वी आल्सो इंक्लूड द एनसेफेलोन इन दैट. इनको छोड़ के जो पार्ट बच गया दैट इज वी कॉल द ब्रेन स्टेम. बेसिकली ब्रेन स्टेम एक्ट एज ए रिले स्टेशन ऑफ ऑल द स्टिमुलाई. इट हेल्प्स टू कंडक्ट द नर्वस stimuli impulse from the lower side to cerebrum and from the cerebrum to the spinal cord. ठीक है. ब्रेन स्टेम contains midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata. ठीक है. So first we are going to discuss about midbrain. Here we can form a diagram, rough diagram of the central nervous system. Here it is your cerebrum, midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata, and it is spinal cord, and here it is your cerebellum. Here it is your midbrain. Midbrain is extended from the pons to the diencephalon or to the cerebrum. It is near about 2.5 centimeter long, near about 1 inches. It contains the cerebral aqueduct. Here it is the cerebral aqueduct. It contains cerebral aqueduct which is superiorly connected with the third ventricle and inferiorly it is connected with the fourth ventricle. ठीक है. That the cerebral aqueduct, third ventricle and fourth ventricle we are discussing in later another video. Here you just remember that the cerebral aqueduct which contains the CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, that drains the CSF from the third ventricle and it is lower side, it is connected with the fourth ventricle. The midbrain contains the bundles of axon known as cerebral peduncleus. Bundles of axon, these are known as axons, known as peduncleus. These peduncleus helps these tracts which conduct nerve impulse from the motor area of the cerebrum cortex to the spinal cord, pons and medulla respectively. ठीक है. When you are studying, when you are seeing this video, you must keep your notes in front of you. That's help you to understand easily. ठीक है. On the posterior side of midbrain, there are two major elevations. These elevations, there are two elevations. One is superior elevation and inferior elevation. These are made up by the 4 nuclei. कितने nuclei से बने हुए हैं? 4 nuclei. The 2 superior nuclei होती हैं. This helps into the coordination of your eyes. Trunk, head in the visual activity. ठीक है, जो आपकी विजुअल एक्टिविटी होती हैं उनमें आपका हेल्प करती हैं कौन, दो, ये जो टू सुपीरियर न्यूक्लियाइज होती हैं, ये inferior nuclei, two inferior nuclei are there that helps into the auditory, or we can say hearing. It helps into the hearing. ठीक है, superior nuclei and inferior nuclei, these are 4 in number. Rather than these two nuclei, some other reflex center, or we can say the nuclei are present into the midbrain. ठीक है, these helps into the sudden movement or the surprising movement of your eyes, trunk and other when you are surprised by some loud noise such as sudden crying, sudden gun shoot, etc. जब आप सरप्राइजली किधर देखना चाहते हैं, सरप्राइजली आपने कोई साउंड सुना और अपनी आईज को आप उसी एरिया में लेना चाहते हैं, तो वो रिफ्लेक्स सेंटर कहाँ पे है, वो एक्टिविटी परफॉर्म करने का जो सेंटर है वो कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होता है, मिड ब्रेन के अंदर प्रेजेंट होता है. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट द pons. The pons, which is to the lower side of the midbrain, here it is the pons. ठीक है, it is also near about 2.5 centimeter long. It also acts as a relay station. Your pons have two types of nuclei. Pons have two types of nuclei. These nuclei, vestibular nuclei that are component of epithelium pathway from the inner ear to the brain. ठीक है, vestibular nuclei, it is a pathway from the inner ear of the brain, inner ear to the brain. Vestibular nuclei, and another nuclei is pointing nuclei. Another one is pointing nuclei. These nuclei are act as a relay for the voluntary skeletal muscles movement. जो आपका these are act as a relay station for the skeletal muscles movement. ठीक है, pons also contains nuclei associated with 4 pairs of cerebral nerves: trigeminal nerve, abducent nerve, facial nerve and vestibulocochlear nerve. उसके लिए भी ये जो 4 नर्व होती हैं, कौन कौन सी, 4 नर्व, एक जो आपकी 5th नर्व है, 6th नर्व है, 7th नर्व है और 8th जो नर्व है, इन सब के लिए भी न्यूक्लियाई कहाँ प्रेजेंट होती हैं, दीज आर प्रेजेंट इनटू द pons. 5th नर्व का नाम क्या है, that we will discuss in another video. The 5th, here you just can see that these names are, 5th nuclei is known as the trigeminal nerve. ठीक है, उसके लिए न्यूक्लियाई यहाँ पे होती हैं. It contains the nuclei of 6th abducent. It contains the nuclei of 7th cranial nerve, which is facial, and 8th vestibulocochlear nerve. ठीक है, इन सब की न्यूक्लियाई भी यहीं पे प्रेजेंट होती हैं. नेक्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट, that is medulla oblongata. Here you can see that it is the medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata consists with the superior part of the spinal cord. It is directly attached with the superior part of the spinal cord, and from the inferior part of the brainstem, from the pons, it is inferior part of the pons, it is connected. ठीक है, द medulla oblongata at the foramen magnum and it extends to the inferior border of the pons. Distance is near about, medulla oblongata is near about 3 centimeter. It leaves the skull from the a large foramen that we call the foramen magnum. It's your skull, here it is the opening that's called the foramen magnum. ठीक है, foramen magnum. Medulla oblongata contains both motor and sensory tract. It contains the both motor और sensory tract. Tract का मतलब होता है axons. ठीक है, medulla oblongata have cardiovascular center, vasomotor center and medullary rhythmic area control breathing. ठीक है, तो ये क्वेश्चंस कई बार कंपटीशन एग्जाम में पूछा जाता है कि कार्डियोवास्कुलर सेंटर कहाँ होता है, सीवीएस सेंटर कहाँ है, मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा में है, जो रिदमेटिक सेंटर है रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम वो कहाँ पे है, मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा में है, रेदर देन जो वेसोमोटर सेंटर है वो भी कहाँ होता है, मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा में. मेडुला ऑब्लोंगेटा आल्सो हैव nuclei that we call the garlic nuclei, or rather than the garlic nuclei it contains the gustatory nuclei, cochlear nuclei and vestibular nuclei. ठीक है, medulla oblongata having the center of vomiting, slowing, sneezing, coughing, hiccups. ये भी कई बार पूछते हैं कि vomiting center कहाँ होता है. ठीक है, वोमिटिंग सेंटर कहाँ होता है, स्नीजिंग कफिंग सेंटर कहाँ होता है. तो स्टूडेंट यू मस्ट रिमेन दैट कि वोमिटिंग सेंटर, कफिंग सेंटर और ये हिकअप सेंटर, स्नीजिंग सेंटर, दीज आर आल्सो प्रेजेंट इन द medulla oblongata. Rather than that, medulla oblongata contains the nuclei of 8th cranial nerve, which we can say vestibular cochlear nerve, 9th cranial nerve, 10th cranial nerve, 11th cranial nerve, 12th cranial nerve. ठीक है, तो ये नर्व्स के भी जो न्यूक्लियाइज होते हैं, these are present in the these. So here we are discussing about the brain stem, midbrain, pons and the medulla oblongata. In the next video we are discussing about cerebrum and diencephalon also. Thank you very much. Thank you student.